Hello, my name is Sebastian Power. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for PCS. And we would like to take the opportunity today to talk a little about the hotel industry. Given the time of year as we approach high season, it seems an opportune moment to talk about the challenges and the opportunities that are facing the hotel market. We're expecting a bounce back in tourism, but it doesn't really feel like it yet. As we enter cold season and we expect visitors from overseas and tourists within the country to start visiting the resort locations, we find that the occupancy levels and the vagaries of the market are different from location to location. For example, Bangkok has a fairly even level of occupancy throughout the year. The south of the country and the resort areas such as Krabi, Phuket, Samui have a high season which stretches generally from October, November right the way through to March and April, and then follows up with low season for the next 6 months until we come round to the cycle again. Then we have those locations that are nearer to Bangkok, such as Pattaya and Hua Hin, which is very much a weekend and national holiday market, and there's a high level of tourism from Thai guests as well as from overseas guests as well. This creates a number of challenges for hotels in terms of planning and in terms of managing costs and meeting guest expectations. How do you resource appropriately when you have these upswings and downswings with the weekends and with the seasonal market? PCS has a lot of experience in this area and has been helping hotels for a number of years now. And what we do is we provide what we refer to as an occupancy rate service for housekeeping. And this enables hotels to match resources with guest occupancy. So we'd increase manpower and resources when the hotel is highly occupied, and we would ramp down those resources when the occupancy is low. This ensures that the costs and the revenue of the hotel work in sync and you don't have a mismatch. More importantly than this, it also enables hotels to effectively manage quality of service. Teams are not under pressure when the occupancy of the hotel is high, and they're also not slack when the occupancy is low. It's a sort of Goldilocks solution where both occupancy and resources work in sync. This has been established for a number of years and has worked effectively and ensures that hotels can maintain high standards and effectively control costs. We can provide a fixed headcount if that's what's required in more traditional hotel outlooks, or in places like Bangkok where the occupancy is fairly consistent all year round. We can flex to meet the requirements of the hotel and the time and season of the year. PCS has a wealth of experience in providing facilities services for hotels. I've spoken quite extensively about housekeeping services, but beyond housekeeping we can also provide engineering services, security services, even gardening, landscape services, as well as steward services as well. We can tailor-meet our services to meet your requirements and expectations at a cost that's appropriate to you.